This is a DDAmanda update, actually update number 2 on conservative broadcast media and journalism. Symbol CBMJ, conservative broadcasting media journalism. Symbol stands for, what it is. Okay, let's look at the dollars traded here. On Friday, she traded 105,000. Before that, 50, 47. This is the 200-day high. Dollars traded 132. So she's not trading that much money yet. Okay. Also on Friday, we reached a new intraday 200-day high right here at 73 cents. And on Thursday, she had an official 200-day high, 67.50. And she's been reaching new 200-day highs every day almost for the last 2 weeks. You start off when we first noticed her, we noticed her with this 117 factor. And she was at 20 cents, 19, and stayed in that area. And then she just started going, 24, 27, 26, 40, 62, 50. These are the highs here. So she's going up, and you can see that with the chart. Look at this. Now what's the deal with this? The deal with this is conservative broadcasting, which means they have a new TV channel or a broadcasting uh, streaming service called Patriot.tv. And the country's ready for this. There's about 500,000, or half the people in the country are voting for Trump. So, we're ready for a change. We're ready for the pendulum to swing. So I like the uptrend here. It's nice and slow. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Nice, even upward move. This is by no means is this a pump and dump. This is a stock that's building a following. Okay, people that buy shares keep it. Keep them. They don't sell. And let's look at the RSI. This is the last 5 days of RSI and DDAmanda. 5 days ago, 76, went up to 79, 74, 78. So your RSI is still way mellow. I'm going to pause the video right now because last time it screwed up, and then we'll come back. So let's see if this works. Okay, that worked. So let's continue. A couple guys noticed some similarities to DWAC, which is the original Truth Social that Trump put out. And let's look at a chart on that one real quick. So let's look at the DWAC chart and see what the similarities are there. And on DWAC, she was down here bouncing around, I guess around 10, 12, $9, somewhere in that area, and then took a pop up, and then she was in this area for a long time, and then she did a slow upward movement, went to 17, and then she really started taking off, and walked her way all the way up to 57 here, and then dropped back down, and then bounced back up, dropped down, bounced. Look at that, that's a gap. And now she's on her way back up, but if you notice, every low is higher, so she's on her way up too. And then if we look at the comparison with Flex, FLCX, that's another stock that did a similar move. Now this one was bebopping around down here at below $1, and then she started her stair step up and went all the way up to $5 here, and then she's been in that range. So what else is happening? They just added 6 new employees, and if we look at the DDAmanda notes, we got an alert on the 22nd. What was that? Thursday. Added 6 new employees, new 15. So now they got 15. They had 9. So that was pretty nice. So they are growing. Now there hasn't been. Oh, let's look at the news real quick. Let's push the news button here, and on the news, okay, it was January 11th when they issued the news on the, launched the Patriot TV. And then 11 days later, on the 22nd, they hired General Michael Flynn. Most of you should know who that is. He was in the Trump cabinet. He's a really good guy. They tried to fuck him. The FBI did. Tried to frame his ass. And then because he joined, we got Brandon House to join, and that was on the 1st, so that was 9 days later. Yeah. So it's been about 20 days, 21 days since the last news, and I am expecting more news anytime now. So, and I'm betting that it's going to be a goodie, okay? So that's kind of what we're waiting for. Jesus. I'm a scroll magnet. What I secretly hope for is they get Tucker Carlson, you know. If he would join the board of directors, and I don't know why he wouldn't. You don't, on the board you don't really have to do a lot. You get paid some money, but just his name would totally explode this, and it's not out of the realm of possibility that that happens. As far as price targets, DWAC went to 50. Even if we only make a tenth of that, that's $5. And somebody else mentioned a price target of $2. So that's a nice gain from here. Anyway, guys, that's it. I hope you have a good rest of the weekend. I thank you for watching. Oh, look at this. Look at this drag ratio. 14.45. Now, this is a proprietary indicator of DDAmanda, and it says that the stock is 14 times more likely or has 14 times less resistance to going up than down. And this is, I know guys that just go by this and make good money just by going by the drag ratio. Okay, guys, have a good weekend, the rest of the weekend, and thank you for watching. And if you want to poke an eye in liberal leftist lunatics, buy some stock in CBMJ, okay? I mean, if everybody that saw this video just picked up a few shares, we would blow up. Okay, guys, this is your way to fight the liberal lunacy. Bye. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.